Every day, you have two choices: get 1% better or stay exactly where you are. 1% doesn't sound important. It's easy to ignore, but that's exactly why it changes lives. Most people think wealth comes from one lucky break: a huge salary, a successful business, winning the lottery. But real wealth is built differently. It grows from tiny improvements, repeated every single day. Imagine saving just a little more each month, learning one new money skill every week, reading a few pages of a finance book every day. Those actions seem too small to matter until months pass, then years, and suddenly your entire financial life looks different. This is called the 1% rule. Small habits become massive results. Now imagine the opposite: one unnecessary purchase today, another tomorrow. Skipping investing this month, ignoring your budget next month. Each mistake feels tiny, but together, they create financial stress. Success and failure usually don't happen overnight, they're built slowly, one decision at a time. That's why wealthy people don't chase perfection. They chase consistency because consistency beats motivation. Motivation disappears, habits stay. Here's another secret: money follows discipline, not emotion. When you buy something because you're excited, you're spending emotionally. When you invest before spending, you're thinking strategically. That's the difference. Every dollar asks one question: where should I work? If you spend it, its job ends. If you invest it, it starts working for you. That's how wealth quietly grows. Nobody notices it in the beginning, but after years, everyone notices the result. Financial freedom isn't built in one weekend, it's built in thousands of ordinary days. The people who become wealthy aren't always smarter, they're simply more consistent. So, starting today, don't try to change your entire life overnight. Just improve by 1%. Save a little more, spend a little less, learn something new, invest consistently. Because one small decision today can become a completely different future tomorrow. That's the power of the 1% rule.